Hello all. So, recently the old Sump system broke down. I have some of the old one on video, but I don't know if I'll be able to really show that to you guys, but this is a brand new sump pump with a backup unit. It's a little giant. I don't know if there's any, the old one had the model information on it, but not this one. But basically there's an individual pump in there, and then there's a second pump that runs off of this. This is a little giant sump pump backup system, 12 amp. And it basically runs off a car battery in there. Let's open this up. There they are. That big one down there is the primary pump. I don't know if I can get the information. There. I don't know if you'll be able to read that. Yeah. And then this white one here is the backup. And this thing here I think is a float. Pretty sure this thing right here is the switch to activate it whenever you lose power. But yeah, this one just plugs in straight into the wall. This one right here, the tag. And then this one with this black and brown wire goes into this box here. And I can test it. Here's a test button. And you hear that fan kicks on whenever it's charging. And then it goes up this pipe. A lot of the water that comes out of there is groundwater, which is why it's so muddy. But some of it also comes from some areas of the house, like the shower that's right over there. Zip tied up for cable management, although I know that future me is gonna be mad at that if I ever have to work on this thing. But yeah, it's a new sump, looking good. I'd like to clean up the cover, but not really a huge deal. The other weird thing is the electric box. It's hidden way back here. Yep, this is the extent of the labeling. You can barely make out half the stuff, and a lot of it is wrong. So, I did a little testing today, and then I kind of came up with this list. Like you can see, some of these are just not even labeled at all. And so instead, I came up with this list that with the locations correspond with what's on there. Eventually I'm just gonna stick it right here, but for now I'm just leaving it right next to it. Also, this is not good. Watch this. Yeah, the bezel's coming off, or like the middle panel, as some people call it. I don't know. I don't think that you would call this a bezel. It'd be more of a middle panel. I'm trying to think of something else, but. But yeah, like new, like figured out some wiring stuff. Plus I wanted to show off the sump pump that does work. All very nice. Like, but yeah, like supposedly a lot of this stuff's groundwater that comes from up the hill, and then some of which is coming from like within the house. It's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm just glad it works again. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video.